I ain't even that blow. Cause don't do shit for a nigga, but get me high, get high, get high. But I like pouring up that promethazine cause it's fly, it's fly, it's fly. And I'm fly as hell, nigga high as hell. Girlfriend looking good, and her girlfriend bi as hell. And her best friend bi as well. This shit cool, Mikey a fool. Yeah, you know, I dropped out of school, but then I went and got my GED, so I can get a J.O.B. They ain't tryna hook a nigga up, even though I work hard, work hard, work hard. So I said, fuck that, I'm back to selling grind and hard, and hard, and hard. Fuck a bra, if she want me, gotta give me that jaw. If she ain't bout it, then bitch, hell no. If she talking about a slap her, call the law. Call the law, cause I did it. Yeah, that TV shit, I'm with it. I don't watch TV no more, my nigga. Stay out here 2 feet to the concrete. And this young Mikey, I feel I should run the country. Nigga hating on me, why the fuck would he do it? Nigga made a bad decision, that's stupid. Man, I said, but dad, I ain't even mad. I ain't even mad, nigga, garbage fuck. Put him in the trash bag, a scented one, because he smell like ass and pussy. And pussy. And this girlfriend, she good looking. And she got good pussy cause I went over there and tried it. She was a little thicker, I put her on a diet. Now you should see how she ride that dick, my nigga. You should see how she play with a clip, my nigga. Play with her tits, my nigga. I be camcording that shit cause I think it's freaky as hell. Called the best friend over and that bitch, she get kinky as hell. She like all that shit, and I stepped off balls deep in the clip like, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up. If your bitch wanna get hit, call Mikey. She ain't gon' run into another nigga like me. After that, if she worth it, I give her icy. Fuck the tag and what the price is, it don't mean shit. Money.